This little guy was in the plant room. Oh, he's biting me. Hi. My goal this week is to work in the kitchen. I'm going to primarily focus on the north wall because that wall seems to be the most damaged and need the most work. So I'm just going to take time here to clean up my mess in the office and then move the things that I need to get started on the kitchen. I did a lot of driving this week. Going around, I found a bunch of these old 1940s windows on Facebook, so I'm super excited. I went and got everything I could find. good sweeping and vacuum made it look a lot better. What I can see here, the subfloor looks fine. It's dirty, but I don't see any rot. But I bet if we take out these little pieces of wood, I bet it's gonna be all rotten behind there. So I'm probably gonna replace the sill. My AC wasn't keeping up, so I spent like a whole day putting this in. It worked for one day and quit. It was such a waste of time. It was nice while it was here though. We're back here in the kitchen. You can see here, completely rotted out, and then that back one's rotted out too. So there's not really anything holding this side of the window up, which makes me confident when I cut them off that it's not going to fall or anything. But it needs to be replaced. So we're in the kitchen underneath the window. This is where the bees were. And as you can see, there's some honey residue left over, and I'm seeing some ants. So I think I would feel better if I just completely took all of this wood out. I could, in theory, nail new boards up to it, but all this sticky honey, I think it's gonna rot, and I just probably need to take it all out. I'm gonna go ahead and take out all of these boards, take out this, and clean around the rock the best I can, and then go ahead and spray it for termites and ants. Making a mess, always making a mess, it seems. So unfortunately, there's a lot more rot than I anticipated, and there's no way that I'm going to be able to replace the seal in a way that I'm going to feel comfortable with, just because, as you can see, it's all rotted. There's nothing to nail it to. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to change my plans. I wanted to wait to do the floors. This floor is soft in here and it's bouncy, and I knew that I was probably going to have to replace probably this strip, but it looks like I'm gonna have to go ahead and do that because I don't want to take out more wall without fixing any. So what I'm gonna have to do is go ahead and tear into this floor. I'm gonna have to fix even down into the crawl space, probably the joist. So I think this week I'm gonna end the video here, and then I'm gonna go gather materials, tools, whatever it is I'm gonna need, and next week we're gonna tear into this floor. I'm gonna clean up my mess and go gather everything I need and probably get started on this first thing in the morning so I can have it for you guys next week. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next Sunday.